Welcome to Imaginelab, your all-in-one AI tool. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of inviting your friends and earning commissions with Imaginelab. Let's get started. Head over to Imaginelab.ai and click on Get Started. Enter your email and password, then hit Sign In to access the home page. Scroll down the left tab and click on Affiliates to be redirected to the invite page. Under the Affiliate section, click on the copy icon below your affiliate link. You can then share this link directly with your friends or enter their email addresses and click Send to share the invitation. Here's the magic: when your friends subscribe to a paid plan using your referral link, you start earning recurring commissions. Imagine this, a generous 20% in recurring commissions every month for every friend you refer. Finally, to cash in on your hard-earned commissions, go to the withdrawal form. Enter your bank information along with the desired withdrawal amount, then click Send Request to withdraw your money. To keep tabs on your financial activity, from the left tab go to Admin section and click the Affiliates tab. Here, you can view all your withdrawal requests and transaction history. Congratulations! You have just learned how to invite friends and earn commissions with Imaginelab. Join Imaginelab today. Thanks for watching.